Welcome back to Take Apart. Most of you guys requested this video, so here is my setup and profit. 1080 Ti, 1080 Ti, 1080 Ti, 550 watts PSU, 750 watts PSU. This powering up this one and the riser, this powering 2 card and motherboard. It is not the nicest setup but does the job. In average, they're pushing 2.1 kilohashes on EVGA and 210 megahashes on Lyra 2 RE version 2. Here are my settings for 2 SC edition and 1 reference model of 1080 Ti's. Here is my daily, weekly and monthly profit with these 3 Bs. As you see, I'm mining just 2 algorithms and my daily payouts are nice and steady. In the description of the video are some helpful parts for you, from Pcie Risers to dual PSU Yconector. Big thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.